Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can get the smooth zoom effects in CapCut. And this will be perfect for your TikTok edits, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. So whether you are a beginner or already love editing, this simple trick will level up your videos instantly. So first you can just add your
Don't even
clips
consider it
into
anymore.
CapCut
Product has
like this.
completely changed my life.
And on the first clip, you can add two keyframes, one at the start and the other one at the end. And you can just zoom in the clip on the last keyframe, like this, for example. And then you can go to grabs, and here, click on
Don't even
any grabs and adjust or add, set the uh, grab like I do in here. Tap on a check icon. And now go to effects, video effects, and find the oblique blur effect. This one in here.
anymore. Product has completely changed.
Hit on a check icon. Then place the effects in between the clip, like this. Click on objects and choose all video.
Anymore. Product
Now what you need to do is set the blur and rotate into 100, like
anymore.
this.
Product
And then add three keyframes on the effects, one at the start, second one here in the middle, and the other one on the last. And here, don't change anything on the second keyframe, but set the blur and rotate it to 0 on the first and the last one, like this. Then you can just repeat the steps if you have more clips. So let's preview the result
don't
first.
even consider it anymore. Product has
Okay, as you guys
don't
can
even
see,
consider it
the
anymore.
zoom in is pretty smooth,
Don't even consider it anymore. Product has
just like
complete.
that.
Don't even consider it anymore.
So what you need to do again is just adding keyframes and add the oblique blur effects. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can add and adjust the zoom effects easily to create aesthetic edits for your TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Short. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.